Talking of things Russian, the Russian ruble has been on a roll this last week. The currency soared for most of this week, going from one of the world's worst performing currencies in 2014 to one of the best so far this year. RT's Miracle Ruble reports.
One of the toughest jobs in the financial markets this week was to try to predict the Russian ruble. Now, this week, the currency surged to its strongest level so far this year, becoming one of the best performers on the exchanges. Now, the international media handled the rebound with a mix of awe and caution. Now, that's understandable with the backdrop of last year's resounding crash. So what exactly is driving the ruble up? Now, one thing that is obvious is that people who rushed to cash in and buy up foreign money during the winter troubles are now closing the deal. And that's definitely pushing the ruble up.
There is a rally in the Russian government bonds market, and the Russian government securities are in rubles, and the only way to participate in this rally is to buy the ruble-denominated bonds. And for the foreign investors to do this, they have to sell the dollars and buy the rubles. And this is basically the main factor that is driving the rubles.
There's also a considerable influence from a calming on the geopolitical front. Ukraine's ceasefire drastically reduced the levels of violence near Russia's borders, and that made the Russian economy more secure. And these two factors add up to the third, the accelerating ruble on a backdrop of stability, making it a lucrative prospect for investors on the hunt for high gains.
The ruble remains fundamentally undervalued. There is a lot of momentum out there in terms of investor appetite for yield and risk. And that being the case, I think that the ruble appreciation in the near term at least has some way to go. I think we can easily see another 10, maybe even 15% out of the trade.
And these are the clearest indicators behind the ruble's sudden renaissance. And it's not the full picture. The experts we've talked to agree that there are many more factors at play, from treasury policy to unstable oil prices. But one thing is certain: as the panic subsides, the appetite for ruble is growing.